Well, hey there, fellers. Thanks for visiting the old historic Route 66. There's a lot of great American history here. Did you know the Corvette has become a Route 66 icon? Personally, I still like to ride my horse everywhere I go.
Welcome to Keeper of the Mountain. Today's little bit is a miracle. For thousands of years, when it came to travel, people had only three choices. They either walked, they rode on or behind an animal, or they took a boat of some kind. Going anywhere at 5 mph or slower makes for a long and often dangerous trip. The fact is that most people were born, lived their lives, and died within a 40-mile circle. In the first century, Heron of Alexandria invented the steam ball, and ever since, man has been trying to go faster with machines. Some 1,800 years later, in 1802, Richard Trevithick got a patent for the high-pressure engine. Within a couple of years, the first steam locomotive was running on rails. By May 28, 1869, the Transcontinental Railroad in America was completed. Meanwhile, in 1876, Nicholas Otto produced the first modern-style internal combustion engine. By 1894, Benz Velo became the first commercially available gas-powered car. Along the way, in 1832, Robert Anderson invented the electric car. By 1890, William Morrison marketed a 6-passenger electric car that could go 14 miles an hour. In 1896, Henry Ford produced his first car. By 1908, the Ford Motor Company produced the first Model T. Louis Chevrolet produced his first car in 1912, and the Dodge brothers began in 1914. With these three giants of the automobile industry and many other smaller car companies pumping out affordable cars, the pressure was on to build roads to be able to go somewhere in them. By 1926, the first cross-country highway was built from Chicago to Los Angeles, U.S. Route 66, known as the Mother Road. Today, we are driving the section of Route 66 between Kingman and Ash Fork, Arizona.
Hey there, fellers. Thanks for visiting the old historic Route 66. There's a lot of great American history here. Did you know the Corvette has become a Route 66 icon? Personally, I still like to ride my horse everywhere I go. The good folks at the OK Saloon still let me tie her up outside the door. Now that's a great place to wet your whistle. Go on over and tell them Jim sent you.